Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is August the 9th. I am out here in the Roswell, Georgia area. I'm about to do a screen and recoat on some engineered floors with a little color correction. Also 15 stairs with UV cure, going with a semi-gloss finish. And then when I put the finish down here, I got 2 consultations in Alpharetta. Then come back here and do the UV cure. This is the residence of Mr. Melvin. He was actually recommended to me by his cousin, who actually used my services for her wood floors as well back in Gwinnett County. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what I got going today. All right, guys, so I am out here in Roswell, working solo today, small project. All right, guys, so we got some engineered floors. Not too bad. I got some of my color correction kits, and gonna be doing these stairs, as you can see right here. They're like some type of chemical damage right there, and it feels kind of rough. So I'm gonna screen the stairs, and then over here, this is an engineered floor. Got some little dings like right there. Just gonna fill those in. Probably with some hard wax, and then there was a few more here. Not too bad. The floor is really not that bad of a shape, guys. I got this kitchen, little ding right there, and this right here. Now this right here, guys, might have to dig that out a little deeper, and I'm also going to do a hard wax kit repair on here. Might not be perfect because it's a lot harder to do these type of repairs on engineered floor, unlike Satin Finish 3/4 inch solid floors. So this is what I'm about to do, guys. So here, all of this. Also shout out to Christian. They came and moved the furniture this morning. Now guys, this floor is really high gloss. It's not going to be this glossy when I put the semi-gloss on. This is definitely high gloss. Most people don't like high gloss floors, but it's a preference. So, all right, guys. Well, let me go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just got back. Went and did 2 in-home consultations. One booked on the spot. The other one, I sent him the quote. It's a vacant house. He's getting it ready, I think, for sale or rent. So he wasn't there, but I did send him the quote. The other one booked on the spot. And guess what he told me, guys? He said, Courtney, I got 2 other quotes. And he said, I'm gonna be honest with you. You were more than the other 2, but the reason I'm going with you is because I like you and I see what you do. That's exactly what he said. He said, I like you and I see what you do. So guys, this is why these videos are important to me, because I understand the value when my clients see them. They see what I do on a consistent basis. That speaks more than just someone you know, giving you a price and just showing you a few before and after pictures. Okay, so anyway guys, floors came out great. Client loves the floors. So what I'm about to do now is UV cure, and that would be it. So anyway, not really much to show about the UV cure, but you can see the floors now came out really good. All right guys, and also I did the stairs. And Christian and them will be back tomorrow. The client just told me they'll be back tomorrow to move the furniture back on the floors. All right guys, see you in the next one.